these are the balls that we just created for preparing pooris. I'll just make it into a perfect ball before I flatten it up.
Guys,
So I'm just going to turn on the gas.
Guys, so far look at mine.
Oh,
So far it turned out good.
what is it?
So far it turned out good.
So far turned out good.
This is awesome.
Leave him down, leave him down. Okay, so we are just going to start preparing our poori. I have added some oil onto the pan and heating it up. And Zaki and Maria are preparing poori in different shapes, trying to prepare poori in different shapes using the cookie cutters. They do not know to do it, but they're just doing it along with me because they also want to do pooris. Okay, now let me start making it. We are just going to start making a poori.
This is my way to get the sides
So you
bigger.
flatten it up a bit like this.
Now I'm going to add powder. Add some powder myself.
Yes, add it here. Yeah. No, little only, okay, little only. Don't make a mess.
Mommy, can get some? Yeah, guys, never try
This is
this.
how we roll it.
Never try this alone without a grown up. And
Yeah.
without supervision.
Yes.
Mommy, get the plate. You know what supervision is? You saw that on Pixies. Did you guys?
We are making okay big poori. So I just made one roll. I'm going to make another roll. I just make 3 or 4 poori like this first, and then
I should dip it in there.
dip it in the hot oil. So by the time the oil will get hot.
My parents take me with this.
And along with me, Jackie and Maria are also preparing poori.
Yeah, is this also? Guys, look at mine. And also, when will Zaki.com have a lot of stuff in the store? Soon, yeah. And guys, I forgot to tell you, when Zaki.com is made, you get to get all my toys, including I get to get my own toys from Zaki.com. That's crazy, guys. Okay, you can get Maria.com. Slippers in Maria.com. Actually, this is only Zaki.com.
No, Maria.com also.
No,
Jackie.
yes, there's Zaki.com with also mixed with Maria.com.
Yes.
And you can see Zaki and Maria's toys.
And Ziri.
Yeah. Okay, look at this, guys. This is not even, guys, it doesn't even look like salt, guys. This doesn't even look like salt. It doesn't even look like salt.
This is not salt. This is wheat powder. We already have potatoes, so we are just preparing.
Potatoes! Look at these
So we have potato curry with the poori.
Now he has a dream
So
right in
now-
the backyard.
Our
Has a new
oil is really hot, I think, and we are getting our
awesome. I
poori.
love that part.
Yeah,
Wait, we're
so
making
now-
papadum?
No, we are making
Poori.
poori that will load up now. See, this is how our poori comes out. See,
But when will we do my flat food?
I will do that also next. Look at our pooris.
Now, can I do mine?
And just turn once to the other side. Yeah. And make it a little crispy.
I got a new bow and arrow. I got a new bow and
See, this
arrow.
poori is done.
And I
And I'll just drain a little oil from there. Keep it on the side like this. And I'll add the next poori in.
When do I get to do mine stuff?
Yeah, next you will do. Okay, we'll do the next one. So this one.
It will take.
I'm doing like this so that it will blow up. See how it is loading up? See how it is loading up? See how it is
Did you
loading
know
up?
I've got an instrument for me? I've got my own instrument now, and I'll show you my instrument one day and how I play it.
And then we will turn it to the other side.
Is that oil magic?
Yeah, it's like magic.
But the oil that soaks into that food, right?
No. So this is one. So we are just going to take away this first one and put it in this tissue paper with net, and then we will
Can you
just
stitch a net for me to catch birds?
let it dry, and I'll just take this off and I'll add the next one.
Look at my birdie, 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 birdie.
And then
You know when a bird's nest falls, they don't use their nest anymore because predators might catch them.
now this food is also ready.
And mine is not good. Guys, look at mine. Is it awesome or what? Let's put this shape on. Let's do this.
Next poori is ready. And this one I'll keep it away. And I'll take the next one.
Oh, I can't put the bird on. I thought it used to be
So we
brown.
just prepared our first batch of pooris, and we are going to this way prepare the remaining batches.
Okay, look at
And
mine.
I'll show you once we're done. Yes, Saki and Maria are still doing it.
Look at mine. It's like striped zebra. I don't know if it looks like that.
Okay, I'll show once we are done now. So I just made a flower
For
using the cookie cutter. Okay, and I'm going to make a bunny for Zaki. We are trying to make a poori using the cookie cutter for the first time. We
Yeah.
are going to make a bunny poori for Zaki.
I'm
Okay.
excited to do this. Pushing it. That's good.
Oh, now let's take it out, okay?
Yeah, let's take it out of this.
That looks so funny.
Yeah, it's so funny.
Okay, now Maria, which shape do you want next?
I want no, we're destroying it.
No, but what do you
want carrot.
Oh.
Over here we've got a best one. I want chicken.
You want chicken?
I want birdie.
wait.
That's a birdie.
Okay, let's see if it will come out or not. But we will try, okay? This is a bunny.
Yeah. And a birdie.
Oh, you keep
Guys,
all
this
of
is
our-
the first experiment of using cookie molders for food.
Yeah. So we make all
I
these.
wanted the shape.
Okay, that's-
Wait, can we give the color to Daddy?
Yeah, after we make, okay?
Oh yeah.
Not right now.
I wonder how it's going to look like when it's so fat.
Mhm.
My bunny will look hilarious when it's fat. It will look like a bunny.
Now next is Maria's.
Chicky.
Okay. There is Maria's
Chicky.
chicky.
No, it's a birdie.
Okay.
Can I push it in?
No, let me see if it will fit or not first. Yes, push it. Only one press.
I want one.
Okay, Maria, press it. Just press it. Enough. Now, I'll just take it out, okay? Take the sides out. Take the sides out. Like this.
Okay,
Now leave this batter for me.
can I get?
Ah.
I wonder how Maria's birdie is going to look.
Maria's bird is going to look nice. Now what else do you need?
Yeah.
Flower, one more flower.
Flower. This one.
Okay, before doing that, let me make it, okay?
Okay. Then the carrot.
Yeah, let me make it first.
See, I told you we needed to buy this from Kitchenaid. Yeah, guys, we bought this from Kitchenaid.
Which one? The flower, the
Flour.
yeah. So now let's see how it turns out. We'll first put the flower. Zaki, see the flower?
What?
Flower is coming up. Look at the flower.
Flour.
Look at the flower. Look at the flower poori. Look at the tiny flower poori.
Yeah.
It looks so tiny.
I wonder how mine is going to look like
Yeah, the flowerpoori. Now next is?
Wait, it looks like a starfish.
No, but it looks nice, Zaki. Next is the chickiepoori.
Oh, not here.
Okay, let's see.
No, we already did that.
Yeah.
Okay, chickiepoori again. Here's my chickie. Here's mine. Yeah, that's not a chickie. It's a birdie, I mean. Birdie.
This is the chickiepoori.
No, that's a birdie.
The birdie. Next is the rabbit.
Oh, I wonder how it, Mommy. I wonder how it's going to look like.
Yes,
Yeah, Mom.
yes.
Is it going to look ginormous, Mom?
Yes, this is the rabbit.
Mommy, can I
That is so funny. See, the rabbit.
Can I can see.
Okay, let me put it here. See the rabbit? See, it's hot oil. Okay? Look at.
Wait, I'll show you, Mari. Wait, let me pick you up. I see, it gave us nice flower.
I made
Don't
a
touch
bunny.
Don't touch it.
We made a bunny.
Cool.
Now let's.
Now everybody go sit on the
Let's make some more shapes and we'll finish it off.
Okay.
Okay, now what shape? Do you want one more flower?
Yeah.
Okay.
Make 3 flowers, Mom.
3 flowers.
Oh, Daddy, you better watch and see. And
No, I saw it. I used to make it when I was small. This is what I used to do all the time.
and Mommy, I
This is Zaki's idea of making poori using cookie cutter.
add the flower. Yeah, this is my idea.
Good idea.
Mommy, roll it.
Okay.
Oh, and I'm a regular kitty with no powder.
Cool.
And a powder kitty.
Okay, wait. I'll see if No. Let's see if it will fit or not, okay?
Right.
Now we press. Press hard.
Make 3 flowers.
Okay. Next is the tiny one.
I wonder how it's going to come out.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's going to look hilarious. Oh, it's going to be
Tiny poori.
That's how Oh! You're starting to eat it!
Let
Mark's starting to eat
Let
it!
me that one alone, okay?
Can I put this one?
Yeah, wait.
Can I put this one in?
Yeah, slowly. It's hot oil, Zaki. You should keep your hand away. You should not dip like that.
I did not dip it and I just dropped it in. It was like in the ocean bubbly.
Yeah.
Oh, what about we do that in real life in the ocean?
These pooris are ready. So we are just done with our pooris. We prepared poori using the cookie cutter too for the kids. It was Zaki's idea.
Yes.
And we made pooris, flower pooris, a chick poori, and a rabbit,
Now can I show
and tiny little flowers for Zaki,
So guys-
Maria, and Zevi.
Okay, so let me show you what. So next day, tomorrow, we're going to make a video of my Bakugan, but first I'm going to show you how the Bakugan works. This is how it works. Well, first you gotta smack in its feet. Feet. And yeah, you need a tiny Bakugan to go in and transform.
Okay, keep it there,
One,
really
and
keep,
when
okay.
it comes out too, it will transform the big one, and it will transform too. Next one, put it down in. And there, like that, and there. Pull the tail, and if you want it to transform, say you drop, and then you drop it on.
So if you like our videos,
Subscribe, and please don't forget